Womaphani phela. Hawu.
Mina lempilo le akuyona impilo yami. Ngiyaqala ukuphila impilo enje in my life. Mina ngomunye umuntu.
Isa Galaxy Koba Sotwa Nike. Hi. Isa
Bekela. Yamazi Khostolo. Yamazi Khostolo. Yamazi.
Koba Sotwa.
Oh.
Bafethu, I hope everybody's doing great. Wherever you are watching this video from, salute lapho. Welcome back to your favorite channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, Bafethu, Kamalam Dung Amani, the channel I'm bringing you the best of local content. So if that's what you're into, make sure that you do subscribe. Let's go.
Just prank on driver.
Dimela. O felela mogala tjana. Le aga ile. Ya, go sharp. Namela mokoni. Tla go go kishetjwa. Driver le o ditse ga botse. Shapa ke. Ke gopela o be mogekole kwa ga mabintane ne kwa crossing ya go tsena mo le ya gona mo mogala tjana. Yana o tla feta sola ne. Ke a lebo. O shapa go go ne o spele ga botse. Sho mogekole ke. A le mo. Shapa go. Sharp. Hey. Why? Why little guys? Yeah, that I
Mali
Take it,
try.
baby, ring. Malin. Whoa. I know myself. Whoa.
Ingane zisecheap nje mfethu.
Boy, yeah. Abayek.
Vulingani ke.
Bambi plastic yakho ya. Le. Yeah.
Mvule ke mntanakho. Siyabonga.
Ijambile. Igama lomnana ngusiyabonga.
Johnny, wait! Now na chicken spice mo. Ay, tamo na. Oh, achi.
How old are you?
It's not no.
How old are you?
No, it's not than you. Ungabonzi
What is your age? Tell me your age.
No? Ne-18. I will see this.
DJ ofundabi. Asoze ka.
Yes. When your papa tries to rule all your 20 years of
Yabona
life.
nje ndayibhudilelo mntana ukuba afune i-love back. Yabo ngophinde wabuyela kum. Phinde wabuyela kumphopho. Yo! Hey! Andizukrexeza. Khama ungubani na. Oh bawo undixolele mine. Undixolele bawo. Ndifuna ukhalisa umuntu nje okugqibela.
Sengicabangile guys ngingakayitholi lempilo ngeke ngirelax because mina ngifuna le ndawo leyo ukuthi mangivakashele bangitshela useseli bathi hey nangu la simngenise ngithi no I don't feel okay mjikiseni nithi angikho uyangunderstand tell that person to go back uyangunderstand ngithi mangibona nje umakhelwane wami angathi mehlo madala athi long time no see ngithi I was in France athi no I went there last year yila relating ingena khona asichomelani siya relate uyangunderstand umakhelwane unabantwana bayithiwa kunaphara unabantwana abayi-2 oyi-1 i-pilot oyi-1 i-attorney the lawyer uyangu-understand akunaphara whereby wena mawugcoke snacks uyangu-understand mawugcoke snacks ngifonela security there's a person here looking suspicious I'm not feeling safe and then ivele security akufake evenini uhambe I'm feeling safe now uyangu-understand
kwana bafowethu ukudelela ukhona lesikesike lala mfene hayibo bed and breakfast ngubani mfene
BNB
lala mfene ngubani mfene hayibo. It's been a long day without you my friend. Bafowethu Van Diesel mfowethu mbona nangu wakhe nangu Van Diesel nomuntu wakhe nangu Van Diesel.
Steering ngayindawo
ngomkhulu ngumkhulu akazange uthi umuntu wami wawubhadlela unangqondo that's why ungasagoduka ubheke uqumbu umuntu wakho wathi umuntu wami utheka hamba baphinde uhle kwezi strato futhi akhawula ngebhozo njani kwawahlala wathi imali yestand somkamo waphinda wathi anetheni yami umuntu wami uyakunya njani ke ngabamba ihlele ukhala masimba nyani nyani wena ndafaka ihamile nyani kwaphambi hamile mfuna wena akuqale
wakuvume yena
hamba lethi ungasagoqiye elithipeni okwazothini ibhaki lapha kodvuka hamba mani sokobubi ngathi itiribhe egcwelibhaka hamba.
Yewe. Phinde nakhuphe enye igwama umdlalo. Alibetha nidwethi cardboard lesupeke legceba lonke. Ubani onokwenza lana?
Yo boy.
Bona le khoma zayigcibana indedwa le wena la yawo. Ecala essential. Betha nindedwa micardboard lesupeke. Akhona umuntu oncedisayo.
Hayi mfundisi.
Tata uyazibona uyawutya ntoni? Jim ndedwa.
Usuke esipano okanye usuke esipilo.
Uyayibona lana? Khangela. Hayi. Mine mnandi kumu. Yokwathi izifetraka ezitshebileyo zodwa bathotsha. Ilwazi ebuhlungu. Yekithi.
Boy.
Twa hindoni lanje. Ibheji lanje. Hindoni lanje. Mancane mna. Haya nandanga kulento.
Kosi for life. Lila Pierini, Lamas. You are naughty. Kan marama Kosi Arunabiagra.
Sisi muhu. Ya, muhu ayingomntu uvalekileyo, umuntu odiniweyo in Afrikaans. Sikenda.
You can Afrikaans, bro.
Ja. Hey, hoekom?
So, kapin imuhu umuntu otheni?
Umuntu odiniweyo, muhu is tired.
Okay.
Muhu Afrikaans.
Like ayobha.
Kuthiwa ke sizimuhu babhidwa ukuba bathi sizibhali.
Udiniwe nawo.
Ndidiniwe bubutsotsi. Ucinga kanjani? Hayi.
Uthi intoni mkhulu wami ngayiveze uthi intoni le? Vese intoni? Intoni igama layo?
Nani tata?
Eyothini le nto?
Camera ne.
Camera ne.
Camera and the guide.
Okay.
Yakho hamba ngayo. And ayijubuleki bulletproof yona le.
Wena.
Yeah. Yandifumana pha.
Imalini ke ngoku?
Le into. Hayi tata kutyala ndinayo le nto iphinde imke.
Iyabiwa.
Yabiwa kokoko umuntu ayisebenzise.
Yekubashayane le time.
Ayilahle phinde ndifumane.
Uyayithengisa ngoku? Camera le.
Camera. Ngoba jonga imali mangolo so.
Okay. Okay.
Ngifotile ngidebele report and iwayigayi.
Bulletproof.
Bulletproof.
Okay.
Ubuni price is pricing quickly that.
18 price yami mntu wami.
30 rand gada le.
Hayi asiyabiza kakhulu mntu wami.
Saku 20 rand.
Ndinda manje njike finance ke nebhanki ndizabuya ne.
Awunayo ne 15 rand.
Mntu wami nothi ngoku.
Ne 5 rand. Yipayo ne 5 rand kawunayo.
Linde apha mntu ngumphula mntabuya ngo. Linde nje apha ndijonge ibhanki kwangoku.
Really time from 30 rand.
You are watching. This is 50 kg, and I can go more. I don't know you. Me, I don't use powders or steroids or anything. I don't know you. You must come to me. Prove to you that you are a man.
Mfungephi yakhe party. Nibona yonke into kwedoki Rise Mzansi, EFF, ACDP, ANC. If confused was a person. Okanye no decorations.
Proof.
After all, computers crash, people die, relationships fall apart. The best we can do is breathe and reboot.
This one is rumba.
Hello.
Ngifuna lokho engathi kukhulu lokho. Ngithatha lokho.
Nuthatha kanjani ngoba umuntu ophekile uyothatha kuqala.
Abombali thatha ke mbali. Uyabo uthatha nalokhu bengingakufuni. At least ipo uthatha.
Zimbolo zonke mazigcwele zonke
Right ulokuncane.
Ulukati umncane kena grade 1 muzi. Sure.
Ukamu friji.
Ayivuleki ngaphakathi la fridge.
Posa.
We outside in Africa, man, you know what I'm saying? Hey, yo, the planet is in danger, man. Tiny came outside, man, you know what I'm saying? Check them squares on my shoes, man, you know what I'm saying? Hey, this shit ain't for play, man. This shit ain't for a runway fashion. This shit for a runaway fashion, you know what I'm saying? It's not a runway, it's a runaway here, man. Let me show you how it is. So you see how we run away with this shit? This shit is the coolest in the city, man, you know what I'm saying? Come be like me, though. Come cut yourself some shoes in Mabonang, man, you know what I'm saying? Check the golden ones over there. Check the golden ones over there. You know what I'm saying?
Within a month, only Zahlabu, so Kumikat.
Nangimina ngiyavuka ngizilula ngilungiselela ukuyesikolweni. Phela sivuliwe ikolo. Bese ngigeza ubuso la. Ngagcoka i-shirt cause bekungekho into engayigcoka vele. Niyangibona. La bese ngidla ngiveza amadolo wami wezagila. The way bese ngiphuthuma ngakhona, ngikhohle nokugcoka ibhruku lesikole. Ngajika njengamageshi. Ngavula igedi, ngaphuma. Guys, bese ngilate phela. Nesikhwama sesikolo bese ngisikhohliwe. But endleleni ngile ngacabanga ukuthi esana konje ngicedile isikole. Ngathi fuck, ngcono ngibuyele emuva. Ngahlala phansi ngicabanga ukuthi ngizoyenzani. Cause bese ngijwayele ukuya esikolweni ukuthi ekseni ngidla umdoko, emini ngidla utepa. Ngathi fuck, ngcono ngiyokha umhlabathi. Ngiyangibona, ngiyawuka. Mangiceda nga-relax. Ngi-1. Ngipholile.
Zange ndayibona ivlog enyabe so but funny at the same time. I think it's very creative. I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu. Until the next one. Sure.